Good morning, it's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with day 2 in Pasadena. Progress. Come check out these amazing plants.
And our amazing crew.
And our amazing crew that works at the speed of light. What's faster, the speed of light or the speed of sound? Light?
Yeah.
Feel free to weigh in. Okay, so as you all know, this installation is going to be framed out with grass, and oh my gosh, it's going to be stunning. Look already at these amazing aloe from Sun Valley Nursery that we got staged in the ground. It has been like a bucket list thing for me to be able to do a design like this, staging 3 Bainsey's in a flower bed with the background of the arroyo. Just so gorgeous. So I did the 3 Bainsey's, then I've got my Dazzlerian longissimums, 1, 2, 3. We pulled in our barrels, 1, 2, 3. I've got this giant robin shout out to Robin from Mission Viejo. You'll be so happy to see the home of your giant agave. We brought that with us from Mission Viejo, and now here it sits in all of its splendor in Pasadena. I found at Waterwise Botanicals now has Mangave Kaleidoscope, which is my all-time favorite Mangave. Isn't that spectacular? Yes, it's going to color up beautifully because this is a very full sun presentation here. The Driftwood from Driftwood Larry, Waterwise Botanicals, just sets the tone for this installation. And any of you that have experience with aloe rubra violacea and can tell me how this thing is going to grow, I would appreciate it. This one's kind of new to me. I don't know. I'm assuming it's going to grow on a trunk, but is it going to get a lot wider? I mean, not that we can't move it, but it's just kind of weird not to know. I got some beautiful little mammillarias from Tom Jesh at Waterwise Botanicals. He's got bowls and bowls and bowls of them. So, no, that's from Tom. I also got a couple of really beautiful ones from Brandon at Desert Theater as well. So we have more of our yellow Crassula argentea tucked in the landscape, and Portulacaria afrovariegata, which is kind of a go-to for me to spill. So we're putting the finish work on this part of the installation. I'm still got some bare spots in the back that I need to fill. Check out this Bicarnia recurvata. Could you just go to sleep happy now? I mean, isn't that so cute? So we have this whole section to do. Greg is off getting more boulders and more soil. This will be partially grass, of course. This is all getting deconstructed. We'll be using all of these plants, but we'll be working them into the new design scheme. So we still have a ton of giant plants to plant. Oh, check out this giant Crassula argentea sunset. Oh, you have to get over here, Hannah. I don't generally buy 24-inch boxed crassulas, but this was just too gorgeous not to. So this will be the showpiece in our side garden over there by the pool. Can't wait till this is done. I'll have to come back to show you the lawn when it goes in, but you'll just have to imagine it for now. Okay, so I've pretty much finished up. I think Greg just dumped the boulders. I've actually finished all the foundation plantings in the back, and now I'm having the crew dig out this border of plants. We're just going to set all of these aside and reintegrate them in. This rock edge gives us a basic idea of how far out we're going to pull this bed. And this area in here will be grass. We want it to balance on both sides. Okay, so we are wrapping up day 2 in Pasadena. Remember, this is a 4-day project. So we are making great progress. Greg has installed the lights. We have moved all the soil. We've moved all the boulders. Now we are just in the process of planting. So we're going to clean up now, pick up again tomorrow. But you can see our beautiful layout of boulders. We've stood some up, we've laid some down. It's just so rewarding to work the rock into the landscape. And this Crassula argentea sunset is absolutely a showstopper as our crowning jewel in this bed. Also, I did a trio of barrel cactus right next to her. There's a window you can see. I thought that would be really interesting looking out on those golden barrel cactus. They'll stay low. They're not going to block the view out of the window. Here, the Vicarnia recurvata, also put this here specifically because there is no balcony. These, as you know, have the potential to get very tall very fast. So I didn't want to put it on that side where it would interfere with the balcony. So it's got plenty of room to grow here. Same with the Pachypodium lemmerii. It's going to take this baby a minute, but eventually it will also get tall and be framed beautifully against that wall. Still have my Aluaudia procera. I've still got a few aloe ferox. I've got more barrels, smaller barrels to tuck in, but it is really, really starting to take shape. You can see now, I think, how it's all kind of dialing in. The bed that we worked on yesterday, we've begun getting the rock border in place, and it is just feeling exquisite with this pool being framed out by all these magnificent specimen-sized succulents. Thank you guys so much for following this journey. Thank you all for your comments. I read them every night. They warm the cockles of my heart. We will catch you guys tomorrow, where we will continue with the planting, and Greg will likely start in on the irrigation too. Have a good night. This has been Laura reporting for Team DFS in Pasadena with day 2 and your succulent tip of the day. Bye guys.